We're about to spend the next 5 minutes creating 5 templates that you can keep reusing on your Instagram feed time after time. My name is Chloe. I'm from Vibe Check Society. We're a society all about getting systems in place for your social media to make it nice and easy so you can get back to doing what matters in your business. Today we're going to be using Canva, and here you're going to go to create a design Instagram post. You can just type it in if it isn't your top one. If you don't have a brand kit, I recommend you make one because it's a super easy way to find all of your colors. You have your color codes here. You can have key images that you always use, your different logo variations. So this isn't a real one. This is like a mock-up one that I made. I'm going to be making 5 ones today. So super simple. Let's just get a customer review, because this is a minimalist kind of vibe. We maybe don't want any of these florals, and we might want to have like more sharp line. I already know my fonts, so I can just come up here. I can see here, this is the font and this font. So this one's going to be best to use for my brand because it's nice and easy to see. So I'm just going to change it here. If you've never used Canva before, it's super simple. You can get a free membership, or you can do a paid membership that has like slightly more variations. This color, I'm going to come up here to this box, change the color. Now, you can see all photos, and here it's actually popped up with all the colors. So it's super easy to just pick and choose as you go. I'm going to use this one from the logo, and I'm going to change this one to maybe be slightly more of like a neutral kind of color. So I'm gonna go name. I want to change my fonts up. Again, BD script. Obviously it's quite small. Might want to make it bold. And I'm going to change it to a lighter color so it stands out. Product treatment. Change this here. And change this here. And I'm going to make those white as well. Actually, I want to change this to be same colors as these stars down here. We've got one template already. I think I want to do a FAQ. Again, super simple. Going to change this up. Also, Canva has tons of free like templates that you can use and make your own or build on. But usually, or in general, their templates will only have like 3 different options, which obviously if you're posting multiple times per day or per week, which you should be, then you may want to have a bigger kit. You may want to have, we have like up to 20 in ours. So we can go to elements and we can look up like sand. That always looks nice and neutral. Here we go. You can make this the size of the background just by dragging these down. And obviously it's sitting over everything. So right click, send to back, not send backward. And I'm gonna make it a little bit lighter. I'm gonna go into our beach kit this time. This is like looking very dark, I think, for what we want to do for a neutral. So I'm going to turn down the transparency a little bit on it. You can see this is actually an image inside of an image. So I'm going to, what was the transparency on that? 28. Let's just type it in. 28, enter. Perfect. Now this blue, very pretty, but not in our color palette. Change this into our fonts. Blog. It's going to be vlog. Is going to change the feel a lot, right? It makes it look a little bit like less fun, more elegant, more sophisticated. So I'm actually going to, I like the thickness of that line. I think if we keep that, it will keep a lot of continuity. So we can use the elements, and I'm just going to put in line here. So just like a normal line, you can change your thickness. So line it up, on a 90-degree angle, perfect. Oh, that actually looks quite close, really. To a white, new vlog. Perfect. And I'm gonna also expand. I'm doing it on the fly, so this is truly how quick it can be. for you to do it as well. Perfect. Oh, but sales are a common thing. Go back to my elements. I'm gonna put in beige. This texture, that could be quite a nice texture. Again, this is like totally the wrong feel, but if we just quickly change it up, and we want to make the sail bigger because that would be the first thing that people see, right? Perfect. I'm going to change this. I just want to change up these pictures here. 5 templates, 5 minutes that you can keep reusing. Obviously I used the base here. Like I said, you can get one of our bases, or there's tons of free bases on Canva, and you can just build so that you've got, you know, 20, 30, 40, whatever it is that you need. And thanks guys so much for watching. Like always, if you got any value from this, please like below, drop a comment if you have any questions or any requests for a video. Feel free to send us any direct messages. We'd love to answer anything that you have to say, or just come and say hi.